हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मैं समझता हूँ आप लोग अच्छे होंगे और लॉकडाउन में पूरी तरह से घर पे सेफ होंगे. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. नाउ टुडे वी डिस्कस अ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक ऑफ नीट, that is प्लास्टिड. प्लास्टिड जिसको हम लोग लवक बोलते हैं, और हम जानते हैं कि प्लास्टिड्स होते हैं जो ये कहाँ मिलते हैं हम लोगों को पता है. दैट इज प्लास्टिड्स आर फाउंड इन ऑल प्लांट सेल. ये सभी प्लांट सेल में मिलते हैं. एंड इन सम यूग्लिनॉइड्स. These was discovered by Schimper. The scientist is Schimper, and these plastids are the largest सेल ऑर्गेनेली, यानी कि कोशिक सबसे बड़े कोशिकांग कौन होते हैं? लवक प्लास्टिड्स होते हैं. एंड दीज प्लास्टिड्स और ऑल प्लास्टिड्स आर डेवलप फ्रॉम प्रोप्लास्टिड. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट जो चीज है यहाँ क्या है कि जो यहाँ प्रोप्लास्टिड का नाम लिया गया है. और प्रोप्लास्टिड्स these are converted into form amyloplast, chloroplast, chromoplast, aleuroplast, elioplast. But these are interconvertible, and proplastids form the amyloplast, aleuroplast, chloroplast, chromoplast, elioplast. Elioplast store protein, amyloplast store starch, and chloroplasts contain chlorophyll. By which it traps sunlight and to perform photosynthesis. Chromoplasts contain coloring pigments. And it provides color. Elioplast store oil and fat. But chloroplast is converted into the chromoplast. But chromoplast is never converted into chloroplast. Types of plastids. Now, type of plastid. First, chromoplast. Second, chloroplast. Leucoplast. Chromoplast having coloring pigment, anthocyanin, and it gives color due to red pigment lycopene in chili and tomato. Chloroplasts contain chlorophyll to perform photosynthesis. Leucoplasts are of three types: aleuroplast, amyloplast, elioplast. Aleuroplast store protein, amyloplast store starch, elioplast stores oil and fat, and these all are colorless plastids and occur in underground parts. Inside the soil. In Neet examination, chloroplast is most important. Now we study chloroplast in a very systematic manner. Chloroplast. Chloro means color, pigment, which is green. There are 40 to 60 granum in one chloroplast. वो एक क्लोरोप्लास्ट में 40 to 60 ग्रेनम्स हो सकते हैं. In one mesophyll cell, about 20 to 40 chloroplasts are generally seen, particularly in a green alga, that is Chlamydomonas, a green alga. Chlamydomonas में 20-40 क्लोरोप्लास्ट इन वन मेसोफिल सेल ऑफ लीफ में मिल सकते हैं आपको. नाउ द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ क्लोरोप्लास्ट. Chloroplast is a double membranous cell organelle. This is double membranous. Double membranous, having porins on their outer membrane. Porins on the outer membrane, hence outer membrane is more permeable than inner membrane. These are granum, in which light reaction take place. Single is thylakoid. In one granum, 10 to 100 thylakoids are present. On the inner membrane of thylakoid, quantasomes, inner membrane of thylakoid, quantasomes are present. Quantasome, inner membrane of thylakoid, quantasome are present, in which in one quantasome 230 chlorophyll molecule are present, in which chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll A is about 160 molecule and 70 chlorophyll B molecule plus 50 carotenoids. Carotenoids are present. Hence, there is double-stranded DNA, double stranded circular DNA, double stranded circular DNA without histone. Histone is a protein, positively charged protein, and without introns. Ribosomes are 70S type, which are also present in the prokaryotes. Most important protein, most abundant protein in the biosphere, that is Rubisco. Rubisco is found in the stroma, and this is a fluid structure. It's called stroma. Proteinaceous fluid structure. Rubisco, most abundant protein in biosphere. And hence two granums are connected by fret or stromal lamellae fret channel, stromal lamellae, or intergranum. Some important points. Key points for Neet and Aiims are semi-autonomous cell organelle, because it has its own DNA, own circular DNA. Half work is performed by the nuclear DNA and half work is performed by the chloroplastal DNA or plastid DNA. Hence it is called semi-autonomous cell organelle, also called cell within cell, because it had its own DNA, hence also called a cell. Photosynthesis, it performs the important function, that is photosynthesis. By photosynthesis it releases O2, and all greenery on earth is due to chloroplast. Also perform cytoplasmic inheritance, because in its cytoplasm having its own genetic material, and it's transferred to its daughter progeny. It's originated from endosymbiotic origin. Hence it is very closer to the prokaryotes, because prokaryotes supports endosymbiotic theory, and ribosomes are of 70S type, double stranded circular DNA without histone and without introns are also found in the prokaryotes. It divides by binary fission. Which is also found in the prokaryotes or prokaryotes and the bacteria. So bacteria and chloroplast is very closer to in the origin. So hence the important points in Neet, we understand that The important points are, key points are semi-autonomous cell organelle, cell within cell, photosynthesis for the O2 production, all greeny on earth, cytoplasmic inheritance, endosomatic origin, band diffusion, and 70th type of ribosomes, and double-stranded circular DNA without histones, without introns, and dark reaction. Also, the dark reaction are found in stroma. Dark reaction, that is Calvin cycle and all. Hence, I hope it makes a sense, and it is a very beneficial. I hope it's very beneficial for your upcoming exam, Neet. So, thank you.